Hello students! Are you looking for a crash course of MHT CET? Wait, don't waste your money. Want to crack MHT CET exam in 30 days? Are you looking for the course which can assure 100% success? Here we, the CGA, introducing a new course. The CGA's online MHT CET Crash Course Cum Test Series. Let's see what are the unique features of this course. Live revision class on each chapter before every test. Live test analysis of each test on same day just after the exam. Student can access recording of these classes during any time of course for reference. Chat group is provided to discuss the doubts with faculties. Registrations and first test is absolutely free. Download our app, the CGA, from Play Store. For more details, watch our next video or contact 7249351967 or visit our website www.thecgaonline.com. Thank you.